Hey guys, here's another card I'm selling out of my collection. This is made by GT Spirit. That's the box on the back. GT Spirit is actually made out of resin, so no opening parts on this car. This is the Porsche 911 993 GT2 Evo 1998. Super detailed. I just opened up the box, never unbolted it or anything like that, but the detail is amazing. With a chrome lip and center gold rims. Limited to 2,500 pieces worldwide. I bought this one back in I want to say 2019 or 2018. I'm not really sure, but this is actually the only one that I have. I thought I had two, but no, this is the only one that I have. So be up for bids on eBay. Perfect gift for upcoming holidays. I don't see many listed on eBay currently, so this might be the only one. So take advantage of it. Please ask all questions that you might have before you bid. I ship worldwide. We're back for safe delivery. Please ask all questions again before you bid, and I answer usually within 24 hours. Thank you very much.